Hey everyone, welcome back. This is the second video in a series, and it's all about transforming my buddy Mike's Wave Raider that's like 20 years old into something that looks at least a little more modern and runs. If you like what you see, please subscribe.
You don't know anything about that, do you? So there's two schools of thought. I kind of subscribe to both of them. Got to have the right tool to get the job done right. And then the other one says, you know, do the best you can with the tools you have. That's the Rumsfeld thing. You go to war with the army that you have. I don't know what the right tool is for shaping a piece of plastic that's destroyed by the sun. This is what I happen to have in my hand. So at this point, we just kind of shaped it. Put a little curve on it here. Looks pretty good. I don't know what it's supposed to look like, but, you know, that'll probably work. This tool will probably work. Nice. This sponson here got a little ding in it. You can see it's split wide open all along here. Must have hit something. It's all bent. We're going to take a whack at maybe getting its original shape back. Alright, you can see I actually burned a hole right here. Poking the screwdriver through the hot plastic. Yeah, that'll be fun. Okay, I was in the middle of taking the stickers off of the ski and cleaning up all the goo and all that stuff, and it occurred to me that one of my subscribers who has a channel called Gentle How To, he says, hey, why don't you go down and get some of these things called magic erasers? They're supposed to take stickers off. Max and I, oh, and Gretchen too, here's Gretchen. Yeah, so anyway, Gretchen and Max and I were heading over to get some magic erasers. See how those work. I'm going to give these magic erasers a chance. Wet, squeeze, erase. Here we go. Wet, squeeze, erase. Wish I had Mr. Clean's hair right now. It'd be a lot cooler. Hot as the dickens here. Hot enough for some orangeade. This is Mr. Clean here, working on the glue. Not working much. I also tried the Scotch-Brite. Kind of struck out on that one too. I'm saying it doesn't work. What do you think? Yeah, we're off to the store again. Yeah, I finally figured out that it wasn't supposed to be a magic eraser. It's a 3M eraser wheel, like you told me. Sorry about that. Anyway, we're off to get this 3M product. All right, we just got the part from this place, and Max has got him a 3M wheel. It's still in your dang ear. Look at that. It's still in his ear. What's up with that, dude? You want to get it out of there? Here. Let me pull it out. Oh, there we go. You like that? Where'd you get that? You want to chew on it? This seems to be the right eraser. I got it on the wheel now. This is the 3M eraser. That, my friends, is nice. Watch this. Watch this. Or as I like to say, behold the power of viewer comments. So if you can think of anything else that's going to make my life easier, please suggest it. This is awesome. All right, that's working for me. Now I'm anxious to see what I left on the table. I'm going to try this right on the piece of vinyl. Here we go. I think it actually works a little bit better. You know, if you've got the time and you don't mind scraping, I think probably acetone and a razor blade, honestly, it's cheaper if that's what you value. But for me, this saved me like a whole day. This is great. I'm unofficially back on schedule. This makes me really happy. All right. I swear, I promise I'm not making this up. I really enjoy this step. This is one of my favorites. We're going to clean out the bilge now. I never showed you what I'm using. This is not an ad or anything. These people aren't paying me, but I get a lot of questions on it. I happen to use this stuff called Super Clean. It's magic.
And then the rain came again. Can you believe it? I made some really good progress before the rain came. Tomorrow, you're going to see something really big. I hinted a little bit about it last time, but it has to do with this box that finally arrived. Tomorrow I'm going to open the box. Tomorrow you're going to see just a dramatic change in the appearance of the ski. So I'm going to go ahead and post this video tonight, and then tomorrow or the next day I'll have the follow-up, and just don't tell Mike what we're doing to his ski, okay? Just don't tell him. He is not ready for this. This is going to be a lot of fun. Hey, thanks for watching.